Okay, before we get started, I got inspired off this photo. Okay, so now getting into so you're gonna paint the middle finger and the thumb this silver color, and then the finger next to the thumb, I don't know what it's called, and then the pinky is gonna be the sparkly red, and then the finger that's left is gonna be the candy cane hand. And you know, I always put on 2 layers because like sometimes you need it, sometimes you don't, but I just put on 2 layers just to like make sure. So I take my little brush and I put some regular red nail polish on it, like just regular, and like I'm kind of making diagonal lines. Like it's okay if you don't get it right, but like it's okay, like just kind of like slant the lines a little, and then I just put 3 lines down, and then boom, there you go, candy cane.